Hi everyone. There are a lot of YouTube channels teaching the subscriber how to earn money online. They tell you different ways to make money sitting at home. The problem is that their tips and tricks are so unrealistic that ultimately you realize that it is just a waste of time to try for online earning. Here at our YouTube channel Wonderlog, we promise you to bring realistic and verified tips and tricks for online earning. Today I will tell you how you can accumulate wealth from YouTube even if your channel is not monetized. You will be amazed how it is possible to earn money from YouTube without monetization. But this is not only possible but also easy to do. Every feature of YouTube is unique and can generate billions of dollars for you. Trending videos on YouTube are the videos which are heavily searched and watched. Trending videos can generate a handsome amount of money for you. How it's possible? Simply follow these steps. Now here we are at youtube.com. It's opening, just wait a while. On left hand side, you people can find the option of explore. Here if you people click on explore, it will take you another page where people can find out here the different options. Now click on trend. These are the trending videos which are location based. Mean that if you will change the location, automatically video will change. Now here my location is USA. If you people will change the location of your country, automatically videos will be changed. These are the trending videos which are heavily searched and a lot of people they are searching for these videos. For example, here you people can see that the first video that is here you people can see that the first video about 5.4 million people are watching this video. Similarly, if you people look at the second video, 1.9 million views are there at the second video. Similarly, third video that is 100 days, about 739k views are there at this video. Now you people can earn money from these trending videos. How you people will earn money from these trending videos, I will tell you. It's very easy and very simple. Okay, now open any of the video. Let's suppose we open the first one. It's opening. I told you people that millions of the people are watching these videos, and this is the secret that it can generate a lot of money for you people. Now what you people have to do, you people will simply copy the link of this video. Now start the second step of our tutorial. Now I'm going to tell you another website. This is ouo.io. This is the website that you will need to earn money. This is basically URL shortener website. What are URL shortener websites? These are websites which provide URL shortening services to so many people in the world. You people will simply give your URL at this website, and in return this URL shortening website will generate another URL for you people. But first of all, you will need an account at this website. You people will simply sign up, and here will open a new form. I will not tell you how you people will create your account. It's very simple. You people will simply give username, email address, password. Again, you will confirm password, and when you people will sign up, your account will be generated. It's very simple. So I'm not going to tell you people how you people will generate account at this ouo.io. You might have heard of URL shortener website. These websites shorten URL and generate a new URL in short form. Whenever someone clicks on the URL shortened by such website, in return website pays you money. There are a lot of URL shortening websites, but I will simply use ouo.com. However, you people can also find so many other URL shortening websites. If you people explore URL shortening website at Google, you can find hundreds of websites which are offering URL shortening services. Anyway, we are using here ouo.io. Now, what you people will do, here you people can find the option links. Click on links. It will take you at another page. It will take you to another page. Here you can find new shortened link. Click on this and now paste here trending video link. This was the same link which people just copied from YouTube. Again, I'm going to take you at YouTube. This was the link which we copied here. Now, if you people click on this button, now here you can find another link which is in short form. Simply copy it. Now your job is done. What you people will do now, you will paste this link at different social media platforms like Facebook, like WhatsApp, like Instagram, and at different channels. Now, whenever a person will click on this link, you people will earn money. I told you that these are the videos which are trending at YouTube. Daily millions of the people, they are searching and they are watching these videos. There are very high chances that you will earn money very easily if you people will spread the link of these videos at social media and at different platforms. Whenever people will click on your link to watch this video, you people will earn money in return. Now you people will be thinking that how you will draw money. Actually, this is the problem, that people use different techniques and different tips and tricks to earn money. But when it comes to draw money, then it becomes a very high problem because they are unable to draw money. ouo.io offers you multiple options to withdraw your money. You can use PayPal, you can use Pioneer, and so many other options are available there by ouo.io that you people can withdraw your money very easily. I hope that you people will follow our steps to generate handsome amount of money. How was our video? Do tell us in comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for future videos.